Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the WordPress code block. Let's begin. First, go to the official WordPress website, click on Login, and choose Continue with Google to sign in quickly. From your dashboard, click on Edit Site over this section to open your page editor where you can easily customize your pages. Head over this section, click on the plus icon, and we just need to look for the code block, right? Now it should be over here, and this is what it looks like. You could easily click and add this to your page wherever you want this to be, okay? Then once you've successfully added this to your page, this is what it looks like to have your code block on your page. You can now enter your HTML, CSS, or JavaScript into the block. Then make sure to click Save. So over here, so your changes appear live on your website. And that's it. You now know how to add custom code to your WordPress websites using the code block. I hope you found this video very helpful.